Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain myFICO app review to see if it's worth using. myFICO app is a credit monitoring tool created by myFICO, the company behind the FICO score used by most lenders. With the app, you can track your actual FICO scores across all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Quifax, and TransUnion. It also gives alerts when something changes on your credit report, like new account or add inquiries, helping you spot fraud early. You will also get access to full credit report tools to stimulate how your scores could change, and insight info what's helping or hurting your credit. However, the app is not free. The plan starts at around 19.5 per month, depending on what features you want. And myFICO is also a solid choice if you are serious about tracking your credit health, especially if you are planning to get a loan, mortgage, or just want to stay in a full control. But if you are just curious about your credit score or even a basic look, free app like Credit Karma might be a better starting point for you. And that's it.